Welcome to Skills Exceed. Tired of looking at boring numbers in your Excel sheets? Want to make your data stand out with just few clicks? In this Excel video tutorial, you will learn how to create a simple line graph, pie chart, and bar graph in Excel. Using charts is a powerful way to present your data visually and make it easier to understand. Sounds good? Let's get started. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss quick tips that save your time. Sample practice sheet provided in the description below. Download it so that you can start practice side by side. So the first is line graph. Line graphs are great for showing trends or changes across time period like monthly sales or stock prices. So let's see how we can make a line graph. To make a line graph, go to the Insert tab and come here. You can see that Insert Line or Area Chart option. Click on that and you will see that different kind of lines and area charts. As we are starting from the basic, so we will select the first option. Click on the first option. Now you can see you have got a blank area. In that area, what's the next step? We will bring our data. Right click on this area. Go to the select data option. Now you can see the option is showing you to select data source. So the first data source or first series will be sales. We will come here and click on the add option. We will give the series name. In our scenario, the series name is sales because we are tracking the trend over the monthly sales. And the series values, we will erase this by default option and press on this first sales value for the January and drag it down to select all till May. Once all these values are selected, you can see that Excel has started building a line below. Press OK. At this stage, half of the work is done. What you have to do now, you have to give actual values for your horizontal axis as well. In our scenario, the horizontal values are names of months. So what we will do, we will come here, press on edit and give it the monthly sales or month numbers. Press OK. Now your basic line chart is ready. You can make it further modify as per your need. Click on this plus sign and you can see that you have got other options like you can add the data labels. Click on if you want to see the data labels. If you see the data in form of table, you can add it. If you want to see error bars, it's all up to you. Trend lines. So here we have completed our line graph. The second is pie chart. Pie charts are perfect when you want to show how each category contributes to a whole, like sale distribution by product. To add pie chart, select your data, go to the Insert tab and from here, charts, select the chart option, Insert pie or donut chart. Press on it, then Excel will give you different options. But for now we are adding pie chart, so we will select the first one. As you can see that with a simple one click we have got our basic pie chart ready. Now what we can do, we can modify it as per our own choice. We will modify the title, units sold. You can give as per your choice. Want to further modify it, press on this plus sign, click on the data labels and now you can see that you have got the data labels. If you want to change the colors, you still have choice to make change in the colors and fill borders. It depends on your choice. If you want to apply predefined formattings, you can come here and select the predefined formatting as per your choice. Third one is bar chart. Use a bar chart when you want to compare quantities between different groups like department expenses or survey results. Here we have a table. In this table we have expenses for each department. So now we want to compare which department have more expensive and which department has the less expensive. We will use the bar chart. To bring the bar chart, we will select our data, go to the insert tab. Here we will click on this option, insert column or bar chart. As you can see, you have a lot of different options. These are all as per your need. We will go with the first one, which is the simplest one. We will click on this, and now you can see that with a very few clicks your data is converted into charts. You can further modify it, change the title, click on this chart. Then further you have option of this plus sign, click on it and you will see a lot of other options. Using these options you can format your chart, like select the data labels. Excel will start giving you the data labels. Now we have completed our all three charts with a very few clicks, and our data is converted into meaningful format.